Alright, another little project I've been working on for a few years is my Grandfathers Buzacott Farm Pumper. I did a video years and years ago of me getting the head off and managing to get the flywheel to turn, and a mad flurry of activity in the last few months, so I thought I'd update. Couple of big things is I've sourced quite a few parts. New fuel tank, new carby. I have the fuel valve and needle coming through the post. I managed to get out the remains of the old spark plug, and I've got a new champion plug in there. The valves have freed up. I still need to lap them and grind them in. Still too many gaps in there to get good compression. The remains of the clamshell exhaust removed and saved the thread, and a brand new cast one. On this side, the oil feed has been freed up. I just need to get a little bit of piping and one of the oil drippers. Magneto, old one was cactus, managed to get a new one. Cracked top, but it still holds, and I do get a spark. Still got to work on the timing. I managed to free the piston head, but it was cracked, corroded, not in good condition. But luckily, I found someone that was willing to give me a new one. So brand new head, and I've got some rings there if these rings don't seem good. But so far, these rings seem to be doing fairly well. I managed to free up governor, all the internals. The other one is the actual pump part. This was seized here. The guide bars, managed to free those up. A really good neighbour of mine has a very, very good lathe and was able to take these back and straighten them up. So now it travels up and down. Luckily, despite a lot of parts missing, all my grease cups were still here and still had grease in them. One of the last things I also need to look at getting is a proper rod here. It's just a temporary one. But yeah, as you can see, progress. Hopefully be able to get it running this year. Still got to source a few things, but coming a long way. Alright, I promise I'll get back to the Fords and videos. Till the next one.